Ding.
Hakuna gari.
Esse andar.
We are going.
Eh?
Should we take a swim?
Huh? Juice.
So guys, we come to do our monthly shop. So where should we start? Are you ready for the topic?
Hmm?
Which juice do you prefer?
Mm, like, let me see.
Coca-Cola? Then we take the bigger one.
Yeah.
I'm not seeing the bigger one. Let's take this one.
Okay.
This is perfect.
Yes.
This mango. I wanted passion. Or let me take pineapple. Let me take pineapple.
And the soda.
A soda. Yes, I'll take it. Everybody.
No, we don't have the kids.
You are not seeing the price. This one is the price.
No.
63 shillings or what is it? What is coming for your
Oh.
which type do you prefer? Vanilla? This is vanilla. I don't like this one. I'm looking for vanilla. Should we take strawberry?
Just strawberry. Take.
Two, right?
Oh my goodness.
That's right. This will take fruits.
Fruits. Milk.
Here. Me, I like this one. I like the natural one.
Take it.
The natural one. I don't like the sweet one. So tumemalizana na tea. This is on offer.
Hmm?
It is on offer. Let's take it.
Salt.
This
Yeah.
one is on offer.
Take it.
Let me take it.
Pineapple.
This is okay. Acha nichukue hii. Iko sawa. Hii ya pineapple.
Okay.
You know me, I like pineapple. What else?
Drinks.
Nimechukua juice. And we just started shooting.
Okay, let me. Juice.
We like strawberry, fruit strawberry. Oh, sorry.
Black orange.
No, this is not black. Ribena.
Black orange.
Yeah, Ribena.
Let's take it.
Tumechukua.
Yeah.
Dada. Which type of or we take the bigger,
Bigger.
the bigger one, right?
This one.
This.
Yeah.
How much? Yeah. So, I saw the
This one. What about the tissues?
I want to add some. I want another type. This one is on offer by the way. Look at this one. Should we take this?
No.
We just chukua tu ile ingine.
That's all.
So guys, let's go around that. Yes. Let's take the toothpaste. Which type do you want? Oh, we take the Sensodyne. Yes. Hiyo iko sawa kabisa kabisa. Yes. Yeah, two arena. I think we should take the whole. The whole box.
The whole box.
Yes. Hiyo sitaisha na siku tatu. Take the whole box.
Okay, then.
Or they are here.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh.
Should we take? Oh, let's go and take the other one. This one is for chupa. Make sure usiangushe. Yes. They are how many? It's how much for 50? Should we take 2?
1. Okay, let's go again.
A blue band.
This one? Can we take this
No, this one is small. Let's take this one. Inaweza kupeleka at least miezi 3.
Let's go get the chocolate one.
The chocolate one.
Yeah.
Let's take this and the chocolate one. The two. Yes.
What is this? What is this? Nation.
Yeah, facial cream. By the way, I need this one. I really need them. This one. Blessed.
Can you take the first one?
Should we take it? Yes, I really need it. Take it. Scrubber. Should take it.
Yeah.
Yes.
2.
Yes. That one is good.
This one?
Yes, yeah. Take 3.
3. No!
What about this one?
What?
Na sijui kama kuna mafuta hapa mimi hujipaka by the way. It's not here. Francine, let's come and take. I want this one. I really want this one. I want this one. The jelly. I really want this one. I should take the bigger one, right? That one. Okay, take that one. I add this one.
This one. 2.
Yes. Tatpeleka at least. What's
Let me
next?
ask you, what is this one?
What? This one is for. They have
That's
said
how we really have-
mega growth. Ya nywele.
Okay.
Ni mafuta tu ya nywele.
Let me take this.
Should we take it? It's how much? 5,000.
No. Come on. Oh.
Let's go the other way. But looking at me. Okay. Guys, we need to take some snacks. It's she. Francine, where are you? Should we take which one should we take?
This one.
That one is small. Let's take this one. At least it end up for 2 days. Yes.
That one?
Yes.
Oh my god. So cute.
Yeah. It's so sweet. I like it. Yes. Let's take this one.
This one.
Yes. Oh my goodness. For sure, I'll take it. Take 3. It's 100. Take 5. No, 3 are enough. I like it. It's chocolate one, right? No, crumble. Just the same. But this one is better. This one, it has some nuts. Gonna some nuts. This one is plain. Doesn't have anything. And the difference is 3 bob. Let's take this one. Yes. Maybe let me see this one. I don't like it. Okay, let's go there. What's next? So guys, wow. Should we take these ones? Should we take these ones?
Which?
The nuts. Yes.
The bigger. Need a waffle?
Fancy you like expensive things. Okay, just take it. Have you taken it?
No, no. This?
No, the other one. The bigger one. Yes.
Is it enough? This here.
Yes, they are mixed. Oh my god, it's so sweet. And our shopping is full of snacks. We've not taken unga, milk. Come, we take milk. We've not taken unga, milk, rice. Yes, the tea leaves.
This one.
I like the one mixed with ginger.
That one.
Baraka chai. Should we take it? Tangawizi, let's take this. It's so sweet. Yeah. See, wait, I put it there. Our shop. Let's take rice. Let's go and take the rice.
The big one.
Maybe.
The big one.
This is how many kgs? That one. I like the blue one.
Blue.
Yes. The blue one is sweet.
Than pink.
Yes. Yeah, I'm used to that one.
Yeah, the same.
Same, right?
Really local. This one.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Another smaller.
No, that one is okay.
Okay, the rice. Let's go.
Oh, I'm so hungry. Where are you?
Porridge.
Unga, at least Waluya wamefika home. Let's take for the. Should we take Famila or Soko? Me, I've never tasted Soko, by the way. I like Famila. What do you have to say?
Yeah, let's take Soko.
No. Me, I don't like it. Me, I don't want to taste. I'm buying it to take.
Okay, let's take Famila. Take Famila.
But this one is so big. It will go for 6 months.
Hey.
Yes. Yeah, that one is for. Yeah, it's also for uji. Maybe let me see. I've never tasted it. Wow. It's wow. This is milk.
Milk.
Yes. Or what is this? Butter.
I don't know.
Yeah, I've never tasted it.
Can you take it?
What is this?
I don't know. I think it's for corn.
For uji, right?
Yeah.
Guys, a book comment down there. What is this? Is it Royco cubes? Because I'm seeing it.
I don't know. I don't need it. See.
But we need to test new things, by the way. Let's
Okay.
test. We will ask what is so.
Let me check.
Okay, you are tired of pushing the trolley.
Yeah.
It's so heavy. It's so heavy. So heavy.
Let's go get the oil.
Let me put it that way.
Yeah.
No second.
We take it.
Take this.
That one?
Yes. I think we should take it.
Yeah.
The other one, it's almost the same price.
Okay.
Let's take this one. I think it's here.
Oil.
Yes.
Hey. Okay.
So heavy. What should we take?
Chapati.
How many should we take?
1, 2.
Well, the trolley is full. We have not finished.
Bread.
Sugar. Hey.
We just take this.
5 kg, right?
Yeah, 1.
1 kg.
Okay, this small.
You take the small.
Sure.
You don't like it. I think 1 is
Fun.
okay. Next one. The trolley is full. We will come to take it the next week.
There.
Yeah, we will come to this, another trip next week. This time, what? The trolley is full.
Look. Right.
Take that one.
This one.
Oh, this one is on offer.
Which?
How much?
This.
To Mandazi United. Oh, you take this one. You get this one for free. Should we take it?
Yeah.
Take it.
At you?
You.
Oh my gosh. Steamer.
You take this one.
Mm-hmm.
You get this one for free.
Yeah.
Which type of this is of bread is this? And how much? 90 go 100. We take it.
Yeah.
It's almost the same.
Let's take it.
Okay. I like it because it has some nuts.
Sorry?
Lakini I'm tired. Tuite nani atusaidie kupush? What? Me, I'm tired and the throat is full. Guys, I think we should end this video here. Let's end the video here. So guys, thank you for watching. Please tupate keep restock our fridge. Thank you guys.
Yes.
Bye.
Yes.
So to every let me end the video.
Toys wapo. Tuonyesha tu wapi. Oh, I think
We're just
which
busy. Focus more. Na mabisi. Vitu kama kuna anacheza
eh,
94,000 peke yake.
samnulia.
Yeah, we are looking for our baby seat.
Do you have a baby?
Very soon. Very soon. Tunaangalia baby kujiandaa. Book our shopping is still there. You don't like you to serve your mom?
No. Mm. Take.
Nataka pilau masala. It's how much? For sure, I really want to start cooking pilau.
Nika cute.
Ona hii.
Eh.
Sasa na hii.
You.
Niambie tu kwanza tunaenda studio tuone tunaacha. Acha tuende.
Ngana tu nezonzo.